It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Wednesday, the 16th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Very pleasant and dry conditions to close out the week. Temperatures will continue to rise as we head into the weekend. Then a cold front approaches on Saturday night and Sunday, bringing a chance of rain and much cooler temperatures by the start of next week. Let's talk about it. The almanac from yesterday, 61 for the high, 48 the low. And outside right now, here at 7:35 a.m., we've got some clouds out there, beautiful sunrise going on right now. And we start this day at 45 degrees at Tampa International, dew points at 40, humidity 82%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area, mostly in the 40s to about 50 in places like St. Pete. You see some 30s further to the north, 34 at Spring Hill this morning. Around the nation, we've got a big storm system moving into the west coast, yet another in a series of Pacific weather systems affecting that area. But right now, the main storm track remains to our north. That will be changing in coming days. The watch warning map, we've got winter weather advisories in the eastern Great Lakes, parts of Ohio, as well as the nation's heartland for a couple of storm systems there. Dense fog advisories in parts of the southwest United States, flash flood watches and winter storm warnings in California and the interior west. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. A little thunder along the west coast, though. And precipitation around here, valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC, amounts just under an inch, somewhere between about 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch here for central Florida. Let's break it down now as we look at the models. Here it is, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. A mainly zonal flow here today. And we do have surface high pressure to the west of us still, and so a northerly flow is going to keep conditions somewhat on the cool side. High temperatures this afternoon in the mid-60s, but the sky will be mostly sunny. Tonight, clear skies, lows primarily in the mid-40s, and then tomorrow, sunny skies continue, high temperatures around 70. Friday, we should be in the mid-70s with mostly sunny skies. Now, as we get to the weekend, here's Saturday. We've got a surface low near Memphis, a snowstorm cranking up for places like Indianapolis, Chicago, and St. Louis. Southwesterly flow out ahead of this, so clouds will be on the increase here across central Florida through the day. But I think Saturday, the day stays dry, but it'll be warm. High temperatures in the upper 70s, maybe one or two spots hit the 80-degree mark. Then Saturday night and Sunday, as this front gets on through here, showers become likely. We'll see windy conditions, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but it appears that with the surface low so far to the north, severe weather is not anticipated. So we'll put in a 70% chance of rain for both Saturday and Sunday, and high temperatures backing off into the mid and upper 60s. Now, Monday, we've got cooler air coming in. Does not look as though it's going to be quite as cool as some of the models had previously indicated, kind of almost a glancing blow from the Arctic air as opposed to a good shot here. Still, high temperatures on Monday should be in the mid and upper 50s. So if you're outdoors for the Martin Luther King Jr. festivities or out and about having lunch outside, whatever it is you're doing, you're still probably going to want to bring a jacket with you as it will be breezy and cool. Tuesday morning, we'll start out in the low and middle 40s. Further to the north up along the Nature Coast, you're likely down in the 30s with the possibility of a freeze for North Florida, but temperatures will recover rather quickly with highs getting back into the mid and upper 60s and partly sunny skies. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 23rd, and the pattern really amplifying across North America with a broad ridge along the west coast all the way up into the Gulf of Alaska, a deep trough over the eastern two-thirds of the country. Short waves rotate through that feature, and one rather potent system comes through here by about Wednesday of next week. Now, timing and intensity issues this far out obviously still in play, but right now, at face value, this looks like some locally heavy rain could be coming through here, maybe even some isolated strong storms. We'll have to watch for that. And then let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the period, Friday the 25th. And if this verifies, a very cold trough for the eastern half of the country. And look at all that cold air coming on down with another cold front coming through. This one doesn't look like it's going to have as much moisture, but certainly could have some colder air behind it. So we could see prolonged period of below average temperatures for at least the latter half of next week. We'll see. Speaking of temperatures, let's check those out coming off the GFS Ensemble. The Ensemble only has us at 60 on Monday. Some models are coming in cooler than that, but just know that the idea of cooler weather is in here for early next week. And then we'll kind of see temperatures yo-yo a bit and we'll watch for that system late next week to see if it brings in some really cool air. That's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always welcome and encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a tremendous Wednesday.